Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter not showing sensitive content on your settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings up, and we will go down. We will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window, and we will go down here to looking for Twitter app. We will just go down and we will find the Twitter app. We will click here on Twitter. Then we come here to this is window and we click here on for stop. Then we will click here on OK, and we click here on storage. Then we click here on on clear cache here, and we click on clear data, and you just go to Play Store, and you update your settings, or update your Twitter app, sorry. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.